Hi guys, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. Today we are going to solve the problem of the day. Okay, so let's understand the problem. So the question name is linked list matrix. Okay, so the question name is linked list matrix. Okay, what is in this question? So they have given you a matrix of n cross n size. The task is to construct a 2D linked list. We have to construct a 2D linked list representation of the matrix. Okay, so now they have given you the node structure as well. Okay, so in this node structure, they have given you that in this node we have a data and we have two pointers right and down. Okay, similarly, this is kind of basically the array, the 2D array they have given. Now, what we have to do, firstly, what we have to do, like if one is the node, we have to connect the right pointer towards the right of this. Okay, let's change the color of the pen so that you can understand it very well. So we have to connect the right pointer towards the right element. And for this 2, we have to connect the 3 as a right pointer. For 3, we have to connect this as a null. Okay. For every last element in the last column, we have to connect the right pointer as null. For 4, the right pointer is going to be 5. For 5, that is going to be 6. And for 6, that is going to be null. Similarly, for this part 7, this is going to be 8. The right pointer for 8, that is going to be 9. And for 9, that is going to be null. Okay. Now, similarly, in this case of down, in the down part, okay. So for this part, 1, we have to connect the down pointer towards the element which is just below this element. For 1, that is 4, 2, that is 5, 3, that is 6, and 4, that is going to be 7. For 5, that is going to be 8, 6, that is going to be 9. And for 7, for the element which is in the last rows, we have to put the down, that is going to be null. We have to put the null like this. For every last element, we have to put null. For every last element, we have to put a null. Okay, so this is how we have to put these things like this. Okay, now in this case, what we are going to do over here, okay, firstly, if I just convert this element as a node, okay, then I want the address of this node as well and this node as well to connect these nodes. So firstly, what we can do is we will convert every node. We will make a separate array. Okay, so I will make a separate 2D array. Let's make this. So firstly, what I'm going to do is I will make a separate 2D array, and in that array, I'm going to put all the elements, but not as integers. I will put them as a node. Okay, so now 1 as a node. I will put that 1 as a node. So I'm representing a node like this as a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have 6. Then we have 7, 8, and 9. So now we have all the elements as a nodes in this array. Okay, let's name this as mat. Okay, now what we'll do, I will traverse in this array. And now when I'm at this point, okay, when I'm at this index, I will put the right pointer toward the right element. Okay, let's change the color of the pen. I will take this as the right element, and now the down as this element. For this as well, I will take the right element as this and down as this element. Okay, for this 3, that is going to be null. Okay, and now for this part, I'm going to take this as a down element. Okay, similarly for this 4 as well, right element is 5, down element 7. For 5, that is right element 6, down element 8. For 6, that is null. For 7, the right element is 8, 7, that is null. For 8, right is this, null is this. 9, that is null and null. Okay, so this is how we are going to do this question. So the question is very simple. The code is very simple. Only the approach is a little bit tricky. So let's see the code, how to do this. Okay, so let's go on the code part. So firstly, what I have done, I have taken the array length as n. Now I've created a nodes array. So basically, I've created a 2D matrix of nodes. Okay, now what we have done is matrix of ij. I've put in the as a node, as a new node that is having the data as array of ij. Okay, you can see over here that it is a constructor built on. And if I just put the data like this, that is going to be the data of the node. Okay, that's why it is working. So after this, what I have done over here is then I have traversed in the whole array, in the whole matrix, but whatever we have constructed in that matrix, I have traversed. And if that is n minus 1, then if it is less than n minus 1, then I have put in the next as down node and then right as basically that the node which is present below that. Okay, that is right and down. Okay, so this is how we have done this thing, and now we have written the matrix of 0 0. Okay, what we have to return now is we have to return this node. Okay, this node, if we just return this node, then it is going to be the head of the linked list. Okay, so this is how we have done. Let's try to compile it and run. Okay, so this is giving the right answer. Let's try to submit it. So I hope the approach is very much clear and the code is submitted too. So thank you for watching this. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Thank you.